Hi everyone, welcome to 10-Minute Trades. This is the weekly Market Movers video preview, our trade room schedule, and a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. So let's get started. And please keep in mind that all the times are Eastern time. Monday's Memorial Day. It's a holiday. There will be no trade rooms. Tuesday, there is a 10 a.m. report, CB Consumer Confidence. It has a daily trade report, but we will not be having a trade room for CB Consumer Confidence at 10 a.m. on Tuesday. Our first trade room after the holiday on Tuesday is 9 p.m. for Australia CPI. We'll stay in the room for Chinese manufacturing, non-manufacturing as well. Wednesday, we get started at 8 a.m. for Canada GDP. We're back at 9:30 for JOLTS job openings, 1:30 p.m. for the Beige Book, 4 p.m. for the API crude oil report. And then we'll finish out the day on Wednesday at 9:15 in the room for Australia retail sales and private capital expenditures and Chinese Caixin manufacturing. Thursday morning at 5 a.m. there's a report you might want to watch, the Euro CPI preliminary version. Watch the Euro on that report. We'll start in the room Thursday at 7:45 for the ADP report, which is a family money trade. It's a day late this month because of the holiday. We'll stay in the room for unemployment claims at 8:30, and then we'll be back in the room at 9:30 for the rest of the events. ISM manufacturing, a family money trade, natural gas storage, and crude oil inventories. Friday, we finish out the week with another family money trade, the U.S. jobs report. It's also our YouTube stream of the week. All I can say is we've had a fantastic month of trading. I highly recommend that you make your way into the trade room, learn all you can about appointment-based trading. It's a great way to trade on your own schedule. We love doing it. I hope you enjoy trading, and I certainly hope you enjoyed this video, our weekly schedule, the WMM. I'm Leigh Goldstein. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the trade room.